Loosen the support bar and remove it. Unscrew the nuts on both sides. Fasten the two side retaining clasps and tighten the nuts. Unscrew the 4 screws. Remove the front cover. Install the handlebars and tighten the screws. Adjust the handlebars. Loosen the brake lines on both sides. Line up the handlebar brake cable slots.
Place the brake cable into the slot and misalign the fine-tuning screw.
Snap the brake line back into the slot. Tighten the brake lines after adjusting the distance between the front brake pads. Insert the seat to the safety scale adjustment height and tighten the screws. Verify that the right logo of the pedal is screwed into the crank arm by turning clockwise and tightening. Verify that the left pedal marking is screwed counterclockwise into the crank arm and tightened. Screw on and tighten the foot posts to suit your individual needs.